You feel lost, don't you? You don't know where you're going, what you're supposed to do, or who you're supposed to be. Everyone around you looks like they've got it all figured out, and you're just trying to keep up. But feeling lost doesn't mean you're behind. It means you care. It means you're searching for something real while others are fine pretending. No one has it all together. The people who look confident are fighting their own battles too. You're just more aware, more awake, and that awareness hurts. But it's also what separates you from the rest. Stop comparing your timeline to someone else's. Your path is different for a reason. The pressure you feel right now, it's shaping you, preparing you for the kind of life most people will never reach. You're being built in silence for something bigger. So don't give up. Keep moving, keep learning, keep growing. One day, you'll look back and realize that this lost version of you was actually the start of something incredible. Like, comment, growing, and subscribe to keep getting better every single day.